This demo is about integration of Accra with JD Orchestrator. The JD Orchestrator is a web-based application which is used to create orchestrations and notifications. It supports various integrations such as integration with cloud services, third-party applications, custom programs, and more. Accra has been integrated with JD Orchestrator, where we have created orchestrations to trigger the test automatically when the build and deployment happens in PY environment. Let's say if user has a regression suite which holds few test sets, every time an object is deployed into PY environment, we can have orchestrator trigger Accra to do the testing automatically and post the results. Once a package build happens, orchestration makes a REST API call to Accra, which in turn Accra will identify all the test scripts that are relevant to the change that happened in the package build. And Accra will create an execution with those relevant test scripts and trigger the execution automatically. Also, the results will be posted in the Accra cloud. All these processes happen automatically without any manual intervention, and it's all pre-configured. Now let's see the configuration part. So I'm navigating to the JD Orchestrator Studio webpage, logging inside the Orchestrator Studio. This is the orchestration we have created, which makes API call to Accra to invoke testing that are relevant to the change happened in the update. So this is the body section of orchestration. So here we mention execution name, iteration name, browser ID, URL that needs to be tested, product version of JDE. Accra uses all these details while creating an execution. I'm giving the execution name as demo test 1 and I'm just saving it. Now let's go to the package build flow. This is the package build flow. I'm just going to run it. So this is the output of the package build that happened, and these are the list of objects that were impacted. The scripts that are relevant to these objects were already pre-configured in Accra. Now I'll show how the configuration is done in Accra Cloud for the test scripts. Navigating to the Accra web page. Here in the automation asset management, this test case is relevant to P01012 object. So to configure this test case, we just need to click on edit test case icon. And here in this edit test case pop-up, we just need to specify the object name in the system code text field and save it by clicking the update button. That's it about the configuration in Accra. Now let's go back to the orchestrator. As I have mentioned, this is the output of the package build that happened some time back, and these are the list of objects that were impacted. As we have pre-configured the test scripts in Accra, based on this output, Accra would create an execution with those relevant test scripts, and it will trigger the execution automatically. That is, in the output of the package build, it shows the object name as P01012. So based on this output, Accra would create an execution with the test scripts that is relevant to P01012 object and trigger the execution automatically. Now let's go back to the Accra Cloud and navigate to the automation execution page. So here if you see, Accra has created an execution in the name of demo test 1. And also the execution has been triggered automatically by Accra. So now Accra is running the test scripts that is relevant to the change that happened in the recent update. Once the execution is over, the appropriate results will be updated in the engine GUI. Now let's navigate to the execution area to get more details about the execution. So here, if you see, it has successfully executed all the test steps. And once after each execution, reports will be generated in both PDF and in Excel format. Consolidated mail and execution details will be sent to the user's registered email address. Thank you.